I'm rolling video. Here's the watch. That stinking watch!
Well, are we going to talk about the watch, or are you going to give it to me and let me open it?
What's with the attitude?
No attitude.
Wow,
sorry.
Wow. Feeling the love.
So, okay. Well, I will say it's a clasp I've never seen before.
Is it really?
Yeah. Wow. Usually they have some kind of little thing where your fingernail is supposed to go and kind of pull it up.
You take your time. We're on till 10.
So that only gives me, what, a couple of hours, and you had 2 days?
Oh! I hate you.
Is that it?
I hate you.
Is that all it does? Now, Scott, you can wear your watch.